We're out here bright and early this morning at Cable Guy headquarters where we're going to be working on a long overdue upgrade. We're going to be going from these junk Ring cameras to an actual camera system. Let's take a look. I'm going with an 8-channel camera system. I have 6 of these ColorView Hikvision cameras and a Hikvision recorder. Then I have these 2 cameras. One of them is Hikvision, one of them is Spico. Those 2 I had left over from 2 previous jobs. So since the deal that I got came with 6 cameras in the recorder, I was left having to fill the other 2 spots. So we're going to use those 2 cameras. Now it's time to take all this and get it installed. Now that we got the holes drilled, I'm going to go ahead and feed the fish tape in there. That way we can hook onto it and get our cables pulled out here. All right, now we need to crawl all the way down there to grab our fish tape. Let's go. Got our 2 cables. Let's get them dragged down there. All right, we got those 2 taped on. Let's see if I can turn around in this awkward tight space. Come with me on that journey. Oh yeah, I got this. Okay. Oh shit. I'm stuck. I'm unstuck. Okay, cool. And here is my network rack where we're going to be mounting the recorder. This is upstairs in the bonus room under a little built-in desk. So I think I'm going to put the network recorder right there underneath that switch that's no longer in use. I'm going to be pulling that out at some point. I just got to get a replacement for it. I was using that for all the for anything that's non-PoE, and then my Ubiquity switch that you see sitting right on top of it there, it was just for PoE use and test machines and high priority things. But this little TP-Link switch died on me, so I had to just swing everything over to that switch for now. But first things first, let's go ahead and get the cables for the cameras fed through the wall so we can work on getting those terminated and ready to go. All right, so here's one of the new color view cameras. I haven't actually gotten a chance to mess with one of these yet, but you see on the display, the camera's picking up. It does not look very dark out there in my front yard, right? Let me take you over there in real life. I'm standing right below the camera. This is what my phone camera's picking up. Which, granted, this is an older phone, but as you can tell, it's not very bright out here. Here I am standing at my driveway. Pretty dark out here. Boom. That's the driveway camera with these new color view cameras. Way better than the old style infrared.